Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that programmers face when creating classes with different effects, such as potions. The problem arises when trying to implement these effects in a subclass that has to call a superclass constructor with specific values like name in description. It can be quite a tricky situation to navigate, but fret not. We have a solution at hand to help you out of this dilemma. So, to address this issue, the solution revolves around reorganizing the constructor of the potion class. By moving the call to the superclass constructor to the beginning of the method and using a ternary operator to set the name based on the effect value, we can ensure that the required superclass values are set appropriately. This straightforward adjustment allows us to initialize the potion object with the desired effect and amount parameters without any hiccups. Voila, problem solved. Expanding upon this solution, we can introduce a helper function called potion that takes the effect value as an input and returns the corresponding name of the potion based on a switch statement. By utilizing this helper function in the superclass constructor call, we achieve a cleaner and more structured way of setting the name of the potion in accordance with its effect. This method provides a scalable approach in case more potion effects need to be added in the future. Smooth sailing ahead with this refined implementation. Looking into the future, JDK 25 promises an even tidier solution with the introduction of flexible constructor bodies, allowing for inline prologue before the superclass call. By utilizing a switch statement within the constructor body to set the potion name, we can then seamlessly pass this name to the superclass constructor. This upcoming feature will further streamline the code and enhance its readability. Exciting times ahead for potion makers in the Java world. In conclusion, we've explored various ways to address the initial problem of setting potion properties in a subclass with specific superclass requirements. By applying the solutions presented here, you can now confidently create a potion class with different effects while adhering to superclass constraints. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any programming dilemmas you'd like us to tackle next. Until next time, happy coding!